What makes a great company? Is it the swimming pools we design and build? The beautiful gardens we install and maintain? Or maybe the pool repairs and renovations na ginagawa natin na laging swak sa budget at ganda? Oo, lahat. Yan mahalaga. Pero ang totoong sagot, a great company is made by great people. Yung sama-samang nagpapawis sa init ng araw para sa perfect pool finish. Yung nagtatanim at nag-aalaga ng halaman para maging relaxing ang garden. At yung hindi sumusuko kahit mahirap ang project. Basta matapos ng maayos at masaya ang client. 10 years ago, nagsimula ang Magesco Garden and Pool Services with just an idea, passion, and a lot of determination. Hindi natin alam lahat ng mangyayari, pero alam natin na kaya natin. At ngayon, 10 taon na tayong gumagawa ng pangarap ng mga tao. Isang pool, isang garden at a time. Maraming challenges ang dumaan, pero mas maraming tagumpay at masasayang kwento ang nabuo. Kaya ngayong araw, hindi lang natin sineselebrate ang 10 taon ng business. Sineselebrate natin ang bawat isa sa inyo, mga ka-team, partners, at clients na naging parte ng journey natin. Here's to more beautiful pools, greener gardens, and even stronger teamwork in the years to come. Welcome to Magesco Garden and Pool Services 10th Anniversary Celebration. Tara, magsaya tayo. Let's take a look back at our previous swimming pool construction projects, repairs, renovations, and maintenance. Also, balikan din natin ang aming previous landscape installations, renovation, maintenance, and also some of our home improvements, renovations, and repairs. Tara! At Magesco Garden and Pool Services, we want to take this moment to sincerely thank everyone who has been part of our journey. To our hard-working employees, kayo ang puso ng aming company. To our builders and servicemen, we truly appreciate your dedication and hard work in making every project a reality. Dahil sa inyo, nagiging possible ang dream gardens and pools of our clients. To our admin staff, thank you for keeping everything organized and running smoothly behind the scenes. To our partners, maraming salamat for your trust and collaboration. Your support makes us stronger. And of course, to our dear clients, thank you for choosing and believing in Magesco Garden and Pool Services. Kayo ang inspiration namin to always deliver the best and to keep improving. Together, let's continue building beautiful gardens and pools that bring joy, relaxation, and happy memories to every home and community. Magesco Garden and Pool Services. Together, we build, we grow, we create joy.